So I want you to get something with a stepper and a bench, kind of like we have here. Most gyms have machines. I like showing you guys doing it the hardest way, so if you don't have a gym with a machine, you can still enjoy this exercise with figuring it out. This is like the only other way, unless you just put your feet on the floor. We have a little stepper or something a little inclined. We're going to do this with one leg at a time. So one of the legs, just let it chill there on the floor, or you can put it on the stepper. The reason why we're going to do one leg at a time is so you can focus on it and maybe use a heavier weight and hold it with two hands. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bring him in a heavier weight than that's normally done and have him hold it with two hands. You can hold it on top of the dumbbell or wherever you're comfortable. That way you can focus on that one leg. So now what we're going to do is go down all the way, get a nice stretch in the Achilles and in the soleus, then come up pushing with the ball of the foot and squeeze that soleus muscle. Breathe in on the way down, pull out on the way up. If you're using a machine at the gym, same thing. Just hold onto the machine and go up and down. It's the same exact concept. So you're not missing out on anything here. Just watch. Most of the machines have a latch that you pull, you latch it, and then you put it back. So chest is up, look nice and straight. If in the routines it says do the left leg, then boom, we're here doing the left leg. If it says do the right leg, just switch it over.